Are you looking for the perfect vegan green chile tamales? I want to show you how easy it is to make them. For the masa, the ingredients are 420 grams of masa harina, about 500 grams of warm water, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon each of oregano, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin, plus 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/3 cup of avocado oil. For the salsa, we're gonna need 10 tomatillos, 3 serrano peppers, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 garlic cloves, and some water for boiling. For the filling, we're going to need 400 grams of jackfruit, 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil, 1/2 a cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1.5 tablespoons of liquid aminos, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 3 garlic cloves, and lastly, to wrap our tamales, 6 corn husks that have been hydrated in boiling water. Tamales are one of the most ancient recipes that we have in Mexico. We have many different varieties of this recipe, but one of the most popular ones is definitely a tamal de salsa verde or the green chile tamal. We're gonna start by making the salsa. Bring everything to a boil and turn off the heat when the color has changed to an olive green. Add the garlic and salt, then blend on medium, making sure not to overblend. Although not native to Mexico, jackfruit, or yucca as we know it in Spanish, is used in Mexican cuisine, especially in the southern parts of Mexico. In my opinion, this fruit is a perfect substitute for the pork in this tamal recipe because it balances really well with the green salsa. With the onion and the garlic. Saute for about 3 minutes, then add the liquid aminos, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, and liquid smoke. Pan fry for about 10 more minutes or until you start to see that the jackfruit is crisp on the edges. Lastly, add the salsa verde and allow the flavors to incorporate on low heat for about 5 minutes. Add the dry ingredients, then the warm water and oil. You may need to add more water depending on the masa harina that you're using and the temperature of your kitchen. Smear enough masa to cover the bottom half of your husk, just enough to cover it well. It doesn't have to be too thick. Add the filling, then gently fold your tamal. As a child, tamales de salsa verde were probably one of my favorite tamales, and I love that this recipe truly expresses that flavor of a green chile tamal, but of course without any of the pork. Using any kind of steamer you have on hand, steam the tamales on low heat, standing upright for about 1 hour. Let me know down in the comments when you try out this recipe and how you decided to serve them. And if you're looking for another tamal recipe, I will make sure to leave another one here. Buen provecho.